Hello, welcome back. This is part 2 of our abstract ocean beach painting. So if you would like to join in today, we're using a different technique and you want to create something similar to this. Going to need a list of equipment like this. This technique we use sponge, and we have already uploaded the video on how to make this. We used some sponges, we used this sponge hammer and some bubble wrap. The video for this you can find on our YouTube channel. Today's technique we're going to be using a bag painting, and I've chosen a circle again, and that is to clip onto there. I will cut that off later. So I've already prepared the sand on here because you need it to dry before painting with the bag. So how do we do this? We glue, squash it on, give it plenty, take your brush, and it's perfect. You don't really want a straight line, you want it to be like this. Then glue, throw your sand on, and then you leave it to dry. So today I'm using flower wrap. Just this. I need it big because this is big, but you can use different bags. If you look on our YouTube channel, you'll see different techniques and different bags on one of the videos there. You'll be able to find one. It'll give you more information. So what we need to do is you'll wrap your flower wrap. This. You want to fold it in half. And then the circle goes inside. Something like that. Now the colour paint, I'm using acrylic paint, quite strong and quite thick, and I've got 3 blues, dark, middle and a light blue. Also I've got a turquoise blue, it's sort of a blue mixed green, and I've got some white. And the first thing is we're going to squeeze all the colours on first. That there, so it doesn't fall back. Bring that there. So along here, we're going to do turquoise blue along there. And I'm going to go dark turquoise as well. So this one. And this one. Maybe a little bit over there. then ribbons down. And then some of this nice light blue. And maybe some of this one. Breathe. I'll just pull that down a bit. Place that over. And you just press. You can mix. Also, you can use a roller. So I'm going to use this. Around there. You want to disappear the card so we can't see any more cards. Up that way. Hang it up here. Right. Put that there. Put that there. We can take it off and have a look. There's a little bit of white. A little bit of white. I'm just going to mix. Great. Let's lift that up. Okay. So now we're going to add some white. I think I just painted myself there. And just bring this a little bit closer. And I'm going to use this. This is a body scrub, and I've cut it in half and I've put it inside nail polish. So you can, if you have problems, if you have difficulties with your fine motor skills, these are quite good. So you could pop it on like that, So you hold it like that, or it can go like that. Let's find some white. And we want to make some waves. So let's get my tray. Really need a little bit of white and very light. Like this. And then we just tap. Maybe some more. There. We have a few of the waves up here. You can also use bubble wrap like this. I make a glove and I cut out two and glue it with hot glue. And then you can pop it on like this. Then just on the top, like so. Maybe add a bit more down there. A bit around there. Okay. Yeah, I think that's looking finished really. Yeah. So that's another way of making the abstract beach painting. I'll bring it closer. This technique means the paint is thick and it's really gives it that wave look. And bring that just, there you go. If you think you might like to try painting this way, please share your work with us on our Facebook and Instagram page. I'd absolutely love to see what you make and what you're trying at home, maybe as a group with your family or by yourself. Please share your paintings with us. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Sandra. This is Art for All. Bye.